this one right here is a little out. This one here may be the same.
Brakes on these casters have been on for a while. It's left that dent. I'm not sure if that'll work its way back out. If not, I might decide to go with some different wheels. I like this rubber because it doesn't scratch up stage floors, but it needs to last. If you're replacing these casters yourself, one thing you do is take the axle and the nut and the frame and the wheel apart. It's what's called a hollow kingpin. So you can take a standard bolt, put it through there and make your own stem. So one thing I'll change, I'm going to say hi to Teddy. I'll take the wheels apart so I can get the bolts up in there. The same goes for these so that that's not on top. I'm going to have an acorn nut on the end so look nice and finished. Alright, for now the base castings are done. After all the paint is stripped, I'll sand down any rough areas. Not looking to remove any casting flaws, just looking to smooth out sharp things like sawtooth kind of edges. I guess the next thing in the process is to start getting working on the suspension rings and hoops, but we might put this together first with the old hoops so we can get the struts checked out. These are going to need some work. I'm probably going to flatten these parts out with a file anyway. So still a bit of work to do, but I'm going to take this and leave them in storage, get them out of my way. start working on rings. So I think that about wraps up this portion. Thanks for tuning in. If you're interested in supporting this channel, you can go to my Amazon wish list. I've had some people gifting things from that to me, which is extremely helpful. This is not a cheap process, but it is fun and enjoyable. So if you want to help out, I appreciate it. Otherwise, like and subscribe. Appreciate that too. See you on the next one.